In this chapter, we are going to learn about multimedia content in our HTML page. Multimedia is a critical part of modern web design, enabling developers to create engaging and interactive experiences. In this chapter, we will learn about adding and controlling audio with the audio tag, embedding videos using the video tag, using iframe to include external content like YouTube videos or Google Maps, and also we are going to learn how we can create graphics with the help of SVG. So let's start by adding an audio to our page. For that we have an audio tag in HTML. We can type it like this, audio, and we will type controls. Then inside this we will use the source. So let's add the source and src. So let's type src is equal to our audio file source. If I go to here and inside my assets, I have a mp3 file with the name of birds.mp3. So we are going to use this one. In here we will type dot slash assets slash birds.mp3. Then after that we are going to set the type of this. So we are going to say type and it's audios slash mp3. Now let's close the source tags. It's a self-closing tag, so we'll just close it, click save. Now as you guys can see in here, I have an audio player in my page, and when I click it, it will play the audio that I added in here. I can increase and decrease the audio, and also can download it, and I have option to select the playback speed. So yeah. Similarly, we have another option to add the video files. So let's add a video by typing video, and this one will be also controls. Let's close that also. Now let's type here source and set the src to our file in our local file. So here I have birds video. I will choose this one. So let's type slash assets and select my video. Now let's set the type as well. Let's say it's a video and mp4 format. Let's close this one also. Okay. Now as you guys can see in here right now, I have a video player. I can play this, and in here I can also increase and decrease the audio, or I can choose which part I want to see. And finally we have another option which set the video to full screen, where I can change my controls in here the way I want. So this is how we can add the audio and video in our HTML page. The next thing that I want to mention, that in HTML there is an option where you can also display another page inside your page. For example, if you want to display another section or another part of your page inside your own HTML page, you can also do that. For example, for that we have a tag with the name of iframe, and this accept source, which we will add the source of the file, and then it have the weight and a height, and it's a pair tag, which means that we have to close it like this. So for the source in this page, I want to display another page. Let's say I want to display the chapter 1. So what will I do in here? I will add the chapter1.html and set the height and width to 200. So let's set the height also 200 and save. Now if I scroll up down in here, as you guys can see, it's displaying my first chapter, which was also saved in HTML. So this is how you can add another content inside your page. Finally, we are going to know we can also draw in our HTML using the SVG. So we can create our own SVG in HTML. We have that option also by typing SVG and setting the weight. So let's type the weight. Let's say 200 for the weight, and let's add the height also. So we will set the height to 200 as well, and it's a pair tag. So let's close this one also. Now inside the SVG, I want to create a circle. So to create a circle, I will just type circle. So let's type circle and set the CX to 100, CY to 100 as well, radius to 50, and let's add a color of blue. So to add the color, we will type fill and let's say blue. Now let's close it. It's a self closing tag and save. Now as you can see in here, I have a blue circle. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next video.